this shit, man.
Hey guys. I thought
Oh, they ran that stop sign.
Oh my god.
Somebody name.
Ready for that next car, truck, or SUV and want the best deal here in tax season? Then check out the over 400 plus vehicles now in stock at Gil's Auto Sales. Gil's has 5 locations to choose from in Columbus, Phoenix City, and Opelika. Get that Gil's.
Unfortunately, it's not a fun project. It's a maintenance project on the old daily driver. Going to be working on the 2008 Yukon.
Like that.
It's got 213,000 miles on it. And a few weeks back, I got a check engine light on, and my oil pressure gauge is at 0. I'm pretty sure I know what the problem is, but just in case, we're going to hook up the diagnostic computer and see what's going on. Yeah,
Damn. Oh wow, you just ran the fuck out of that. Now you get your ass hit or a ticket. You didn't assess the goddamn road. You just went 'cause they went. This ain't no funeral procession where you can just fucking keep going. You still got that here. And even doing a funeral procession, you still gotta watch for others. On the major roads. Hunter Road, Watch Road. Thought they were doing something. Gotcha, bitch. Thought they gonna cut through. Cut them up, right? So that shit.